Good evening, Southeast Texas. Looking at Education First Federal Credit Union over North Beaumont. There on the corner of East Tex and Highway 105. Those slow northbound there. Looking at mostly sunny to sunny skies on the Roofing 911 Sky Cam network. Temperatures low to mid-90s. Nothing on radar under sunny to mostly sunny skies. Have been watching isolated showers over towards Cameron Parish. Those since have ended and weakened. It's 95 in Beaumont and Bevel Oaks. Bill reporting 93 in Orange, 95 degrees on our Weather Watcher network. In Port Arthur down to 92. In Jasper it's 95. Stacy Brawley over at Old Salem reporting a very warm, hot 97 degrees. Across the state, temperatures are into the 90s without a doubt. Not far away from triple digits in Childress. They're doing it in Laredo. Otherwise, just some very isolated coastal showers due to the sea breeze there. Otherwise, lots of sun across the state. It's all due to high pressure. However, we're watching over towards Mississippi and Louisiana. Showers and storms. Those could be brought into our area because of northeasterly winds around high pressure, which is north of our area. So again, the flow is out of the north and east. So any of these disturbances, you know, this is a very bullish forecast, or tricky forecast, I should say, because any one of these disturbances, once we get enough moisture in, could really ramp up rain chances. And look at this, lots of moisture. So you can't, it's very difficult to produce showers and thunderstorms when the atmosphere is dry. When the atmosphere has moisture, that's why we track it, then you can develop showers and storms. And that potential returns to the forecast coming up on Wednesday. In the tropics, we've got, let's see, 3 systems we're watching in the far eastern Atlantic. 2 of them are probably not going to head into the Gulf of Mexico. They have a moderate chance. However, this one into the eastern Caribbean has a moderate risk of development. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity. This is going to be moving towards the west over the next 4 to 5 days. Could be in the northwest Caribbean coming up this weekend. Then what happens? Well, I've overlaid pressure, surface pressure, and 2 different models. Both of them show low pressure in the western Gulf of Mexico as we head towards Monday. Otherwise, too early to ascertain how strong. Will it hit Texas? Will it hit Mexico? Let's just say the western Gulf because of the uncertainty. The models have nothing to track. There's not a trackable low even developed yet. But we do think that there's going to be something to move into the western Gulf of Mexico. That's all we can say at this point with any certainty. Otherwise, tonight looking at mostly clear skies as temperatures drop through the 80s. We'll likely see the mid-70s up in the lakes area and in the mid to upper 70s here in the Triangle. Then tomorrow, maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm late day. This is probably overdone, but possible. On the Gulf of Mexico, looking at mostly smooth seas around a foot. We'll see northwest and southwest winds at 5 knots, water temperature almost 90 degrees. Mostly clear skies tonight. It'll be warm and humid, mid-70s lakes, mid to upper 70s Triangle. Triple-digit heat indices tomorrow. We'll see maybe a 10% coverage, maybe a little more. We'll see. Mid-90s coming up tomorrow, and we'll go with a green bar day tomorrow. However, the atmosphere has to moisten up. If your atmosphere is dry, it's hard to make showers and storms. That's why there's a low chance coming up tomorrow. The atmosphere starts to moisten up. We're talking from the surface all the way up to 12 kilometers. You increase the moisture, then you can develop showers and thunderstorms. So we'll go with a scattering coming up Wednesday and Thursday. And then a tropical wave or trough of low pressure will move into range coming up on Friday. And we'll go with a 50% coverage at this point because of the uncertainty. I'm not going any more higher than what a 50% coverage. But let's just say that we could see numerous showers and thunderstorms possible this weekend. The good news is that some of us need rain. And another good possibility is that we'll see highs closer to 90 instead of closer to 97.
Yeah, I was out looking at the yard today thinking I better start watering.
Well,
with this heat, it dries out so quickly.
Oh, it doesn't take long at all. That's right.
So rain's coming just a little later in the week.
Yep.